Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you my second newborn knit beanie. The first one has been already posted on my blog and YouTube channel and I've seen you liked it. This is the second one, easy and beginner friendly. Will fit the newborn baby and maybe baby up to 2 months. For this tutorial I'm using 3.5 millimeters knitting needles, at least 4 pieces, and yarn, any yarn. I'm using medium weight yarn from Yarn Inspiration Burnett. And before starting knitting, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video to see more video tutorials from me. I'm using now circular needles 40 centimeters, so I cast on 48 stitches plus one extra stitch, and I'm going to use this stitch to join and knit in rounds. Cast on any number multiple of 6, and here you may use double pointed needles as I said at the beginning. Now slip the first stitch to the right hand needle, then with the tip of left hand needle pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one, and return first stitch back to the left hand needle and pull the tails. Now place stitch marker and we are going to start with ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Please go on till the stitch marker. Knit 1, purl 1. Round number 2 will be the same as round number 1. Repeat ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, finish this round and then rib for 5 more rounds, so in total 7. Here I am, and if we measure the ribbon now, so it is 3.5 centimeters or almost 1.5 inches. And now we are going to start knitting in stockinette stitch. So knit all stitches. Knit till the stitch marker. Next round, again we are going to knit all stitches, and in this way we are going to knit until the hat reaches 10 centimeters from their edge, and after that we will start making decreases. Here I am, so the hat measures now 10 centimeters from the edge, and now we divide all stitches in 6. If you are a beginner, you can place stitch markers every 6 stitches. So count 6, place stitch marker, then count 6 and place stitch marker, so it will be easier for you. Otherwise you may count stitches. So I will place only after the first 6 stitches. Now knit 4, and before stitch marker we will always knit 2 together, and repeat. Knit 4, and knit 2 together. And again knit 4, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating the pattern knit 4, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. Round number 2 of the crown, knit all stitches around, no decreases here. Till the stitch marker. Next round, round number 3, knit 3, knit 2 together, and repeat the pattern. Knit 3, knit 2 together. And again knit 3, knit 2 together. Please go on repeating, knit 3, knit 2 together till the stitch marker. Round number 4 is round number 2, no decreases, just knit all stitches around. So we will always alternate the round with decreases and then round without decreases. Round with decreases, round without decreases. So go on, finish this round, and then round number 5, knit 2, then knit 2 together, knit 2, knit 2 together. Round number 6 will be the same as round number 2 and 4, just knit all stitches. After that there will be knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, then round without decreases, and the last round will be knit 2 together all the way around. Check my blog if you need a written instruction. Please go on knitting and then change to double pointed needles when needed. Here I am, that's what I have. Now cut the yarn. Thread the tail, and using a yarn needle or tapestry needle or even the hook, pull the tail through remaining 8 stitches. Pull the tail to close the crown, and again pull the tail underneath remaining stitches once or twice more. Then on the wrong side, make a knot and weave in and cut the yarn, and there is one more tail here. Repeat and weave this tail as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it and I hope it was easy for you. Please check more newborns hat tutorial on my blog, and there will be one more tutorial that is coming right after this one. So stay tuned and I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye.